welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. I know it's been a while, so I'm trying to get back into vlogging. Let's see how it goes. I've been really busy with my new job and the hours that I work, but today is the weekend and it looks like a perfect day to restart the vlog. But we are having like a crazy snowstorm in Toronto, and I thought I'll just take you around and show you how the snowstorm is and show the beautiful city all covered with snow and everything. Yeah, it just makes me happy seeing so much snow. I don't know about you guys, but I get super pumped seeing so much snow. So yeah, let's go around and see what's going on. Let me show you something that usually happens when it starts snowing and the snow clearing trucks haven't gotten to work yet. So usually these guys push the snow to the side of the road, but when that's not done, one person decides to like drive down the middle lane or the side lane, either of them. But right now they are driving down the middle lane and everyone just follows this lane. Like no one dares to go on either sides of the road. It's just one lane, and we just need a guy with probably the Ford F-150 to just clear the tracks so that everyone can use the other lanes. But that is what typically happens when it snows hard. Alright guys, the time lapse you just saw was the third take. My phone just shut off twice. It's so cold outside that my phone just decided to die on me twice, and I'm thinking it's gonna happen the whole day. So guys, it's pretty cold outside and snowy. All the cars are crashing into each other. Everyone's just spinning round and round, and I did the most logical thing anyone would do. I went grocery shopping because the stores are empty. Like the grocery stores are empty. No one's leaving their house today. So it was a good time. No rush, no lineup. Got my groceries done for the week. So this is day 2 of the ice storm. Yesterday I tried to film a video, but it horribly failed. I couldn't. My phone was just crashing or just shutting down constantly. Within like the 1 minute mark, the phone shuts down because it's too cold outside. But today there's no winds for now. I think it's gonna start, the storm is gonna start again at like 5 p.m. but right now there's no winds, there's sun outside, and there's so much snow outside. So I'm gonna go and do one of the fun things, which is which is shoveling. So one of the things I was saying you need to do as a homeowner, or at least someone who rents out a house, is to shovel your own driveway and backyard if you want to. So I actually use the backyard a lot because I can reach the street faster compared to my front door. So I'm gonna shovel the backyard first and then go and shovel the front door. But it should be fun. It's nice outside. It's not that cold. It is cold, but not that cold. There's sun shining up above me and no winds, so it should be fun. pretty much it. So shoveling is done now, and the next thing to do is to salt, because you see there's still snow there, and if the temperature drops below or if it snows again, this will become ice, and you don't want ice on your driveway or from where you walk, because you don't see it forms as a black ice and you don't see that it's ice. You think it's a normal path, and you start walking and you slip and fall. So that's the next thing. I have to get salt, and you can use your regular cooking salt, but it is advised not to use that. They have a special salt. You can find it anywhere in the stores. So get that salt your driveway and your path. Be safe, because yeah, you don't want to fall and injure yourself. So that's what I'm gonna do next, salt my path. So guys, I know I still have to shovel the front pathway, but we decided to take a break. Oh my god, it's so windy. So we decided to take a break and go out for lunch, all of my roommates. So yeah, oh my god, it's okay. I need to keep the phone inside and need to cover myself up because it's getting windy and cold. See you guys when I reach the lunch place. So yeah, we had a few days of no snow, but we have a snowstorm again Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So everything is full, like everything is white and there is snow everywhere. Like yesterday it was all empty. All you see here, nothing, like you could see the roads, you could see the grass. But today it's a game changer, man. It started snowing at night and it's been continuously snowing since then, and as you can see, it's a winter wonderland. What's up with the shopping carts, man? I don't know how did they reach there in the first place. Hey guys, it is snowing outside. It was snowing outside and it's beautiful. We have all powdery snow, so you know what time it is. I'm gonna make snow angels. It's gonna be fun. What I'm gonna try is I'm gonna try and just fall back on the snow and just hope to God that the snow is thick enough that I don't hit my head on the ground and start bleeding. Do you know how to call 911?
Yes, I do.
Okay, bingo. So just in case I fall and I start bleeding, you know what to do. But keep recording.
Okay, that sounds good.
Snow that I can just fall?
Yeah, just fall down.
Sure?
Yeah, go ahead.
I don't trust you, man. Oh my god, my hands are freezing. But I'm at a pretty good snow angel. I think so. Oh!
Guys, check out the coon.
Is it cold?
Yes.
Pretty cold. Look at that. Snow Angel 1, Snow Angel 2. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yo, Ashish, you should try it.
Yeah.
Fucking such a spoiled sport. Looks beautiful. Okay, so there's one more thing that that's remaining to do. We are building a snowman now. I love snowman. I love snow, and these guys love snow, I guess. Or they're just helping me out.
No, I like snow.
Okay. So people love snow. Okay.
We could ride the light waves together, ignore all the sound waves. How do we get so brave? How do we get so brave? And we could ride the tidal waves together, escaping all the gamma rays. Tell me, how do we get
making the snowman. It does look like a snow duck, but we are proud of it. How proud are you?
Oh, I'm totally proud of it. It's rocking.
Although he has a big ass. That duck has a big ass. I don't know if you guys can tell. We also have something for the snowman because it's cold outside. We want him to have fun. Oops. Yo, have fun, man. Have fun. Hey guys, I know I've been having fun, like I've been goofing around a lot and I haven't uploaded any videos since forever, but I just wanted to give you a quick update on what's going on. We are actually moving, all of us are actually moving to a different place, so my house is a total mess, and my new job takes up most of my time. I'm working from like 10 to 7:30ish. I have to come home, prepare food, get ready for next day and go back to work. There's nothing much happening in my life right now, like nothing interesting to show you around, unless you guys want to see my daily routine or the lunch prep which I do for the whole week. That might be a good video, but let me know in the comment section below if you want to see what a day in my life is once you finish studying and you're working full-time. I have a lot of things planned, as I mentioned before, but I just need some time and some willpower to execute them. This year would be the year when I take my channel to the next level. And yeah, if there's any content you guys would like to see specifically, do let me know. You can always find me on all my social media links, or you can also leave a comment down below. Alright, it's getting pretty cold outside, so I'm gonna go back inside and leave you guys with that. Hopefully I have a video next week. See you guys.